Ah, so look, Jack Foster's been round my house all night and he's been bang on it. Check it out. Right then, here we are again, and it's hammer time. Oh, look at that. Saying one, there is salt in the barrel, so that means that the freezing point is lower. To those scientists out there. But anyway, it's hammer time. Yeah, we've got the ducks. That one says 6, it's off his nose. Let's get it. 1 degree. Come with me. Come with me. You will see. Oh, that's cold. It's amazing the difference a day makes, eh? Yesterday, it's a no-go. Yesterday I wanted out. Today I'm still in. I'm still hanging in. Fingers are closed down. Check out the afterglow. Take focus off my fingers. Put it on my ears. Oh. I'm out, mate. Oh. Oh, it's the hands. Ah, the hands. I can't feel my hands. Oh. Oh, check out the glow. Check out the glow. Whew. 8 minutes, 1 degree. Oh, battered. I'm battered.